Hi guys, for this video guys, kakain kami ngayon guys. Ang ulam namin guys, ito guys. Itong ulam namin ngayon. Oo. Ito guys. Oh. Maliit na pasayan guys. Tapos nilagyan ng itlog guys. Tapos harina. Oh. Okay guys, sarap to guys. Tikman natin guys. Ito guys oh. Maliliit guys oh. Sarap to guys. Kasama ko guys. Yung pamangkin ko guys. Kumain siya ganito din guys. Ito ba guys oh. Ito guys. Pamangkin ko guys oh. Kumain din. Sarap to guys. Guys. Okay guys.